Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you how to multiply or double your core at the core in your wallet using a very new trick I discovered. So firstly, let's open our MetaMask. By the way, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, I do create content on how to make money online and legit online updates. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and smash the subscribe button, yes, and also the notification bell to be the first to see our videos whenever we post. And in case you are wondering how I got all these coins, you should know that Core is a blockchain on itself, and these coins are cryptos under it. So I would suggest to everyone to make sure they purchase these coins, because this is part of the new trick of increasing your core. Since if you go to, let's head over to CoinGecko, yeah, head over to CoinGecko and you check. If you check, this is, let's check for Ainu. Let's check for Ainu. AIINU. Ainu. Once you scroll down, you can see all these are part of the core blockchain. So Ainu, that's Core Ainu, yeah. Core Ainu. As you can see, it's still low, so it has a great potential of buying it now, so that when it increases you can swap it back to your core. And assuming you bought it with one core, when it increases, that means your core must have fallen by that time, and it will increase the value of your core. As you can see, yesterday I bought them with I didn't buy with one core, I bought them with half a little of my core. If you check my transaction history, yeah, you can see I bought with 0.0002, this one 0.005, this one 1, and some of the contract which I signed. So heading over to my browser, I'll go over to icecreamswap.com. The link will be in the description below, so don't worry about that. So heading over to that place, let's wait for it to load. And please guys, make sure to like this video. It really encourages us to put out more videos and contents like this. Thanks. So let's keep going. Having come here, if you haven't connected your wallet, it asks for you to connect. So you click on the top right here which says connect before it changed, and then click on trade now, and the scene will change to a trading change. Okay, changed. So let's say I want to buy, go down, I want to swap from my back to Core. As you can see, this is what I'm getting, and this is even higher than the price I bought it. So let's check. I'm gonna swap that right now. Where is it? Wow, jeez, wow. Okay, see what will happen right now, guys. As for USDT, that's absolutely normal. There's nothing special about this USDT, it's just normal. As you can see, it's even lower than my core. My core is, if you can see, it's $4, and now USDT should be $4, as now it's $2. So this won't be a good match, and I don't have the USDT already. That's why when you switch it back like this and click on max or anything, you can see I cannot enable the swap because I don't have USDT. And if I click enable USDT, wait a minute, do I have USDT? Permission to access USDT. Approve. Okay, let's check it out. I'm understanding a new thing here now. Let's try something. Going on confirm swap. Wait a minute, guys. Reject first. Wait a minute. I have 0 points. Oh. Seems like they call DAO blockchain and giving us our core under the cryptos that are under them. I never bought the USDT, as you can see in my wallet. I never bought any USDT, any core USDT or USDT under core blockchain. So having that USDT seems strange because it seems like they are giving us cryptos under, like this one. See, Max one. Okay. So let's get back to what I wanted to say. Let's check core. This will give me 0.003. There's still potential, but I won't advise you to swap it now. I will still show you guys something that people are using to enjoy and get a lot of money, guys. People are using the new trick I just discovered to get a lot of core. Like one of my bros who used it to get up to 8 cores. This is to get up to 8 cores. So having said that, the main core they are using to do this is the core tiger. Insufficient T code, you see. So switch, clicking on that, you can see how many it's gonna give me. So if I click on swap, on confirm swap, now let's do something now. Yeah, let's reject it. Max, click on swap. No, for transaction fee. So guys, this is a new trick. Please don't swap everything in your wallet. Remember, you will have to use some for transaction fees, and if perhaps you swap everything in your wallet, that means you won't have anything to any call for gas fees. So don't make that mistake, guys. Price update, click on confirm. And now if you're having problems, sometimes this won't work, and that's it. Because if you do yours and it doesn't work out, all you have to do is click on this settings icon at the top here and make sure to change this to another amount. Let's click on 5.0, check if it will work. Keep on increasing it, and 5.0, and it works. See, let's reduce it more. Make sure you start from the lowest. Let's check if 1.0 is gonna work. 1.0, you see, unknown error because the transaction fee should be higher. So keep on increasing it little by little till you get the actual amount that will favor you. So let me just switch over to 4.5. 4.5. Let's check if it's gonna work. 4.5 works. So let's just click on approve. As you can see, article to wallet, add token. Now if I click on my wallet, you can see how many coins I do have. I've purchased a lot of these cryptos. In case you want to swap back, you can just click on make this the one you want to swap from stay at the top right, and depend if you want to swap 25% of what you have, click on 25%, or perhaps let's say you want to swap 50%, click on 50%, or you want to swap 75%, click on 75%, or you want to swap everything, click on max. As you can see, the price is reduced, so I'm gonna leave it, let this core T core increase using the coin tiger we talked about. Just search for T core. Anytime there is a pump in the price, let's wait. Search for T core. T core ice, yeah, coin tiger. Anytime there is a pump in the price, using the charts, you could study it. Anytime there's a pump in the price, you just have to go and swap it back to your core. By that time, your core must have increased. Let's change this to your core must have increased. So this is a good method of you gaining more core to your wallet. So the core must have increased. So for now, it's still low. I'm not gonna swap it, so I'm gonna leave it in my wallet. I'm gonna leave it in my wallet, so because the price is still low. Max, it's even reducing. Okay, it's still low, so I'm gonna leave it. But just make sure you keep an eye on these so as to increase your core. So heading over, okay, I'm still in my browser. Let me check out on my stake. Okay, I staked all my calls, so that's why staked all my calls, and I used that in getting the other one you guys just saw, which I used in purchasing the remaining coins under the blockchain of Core DAO. So, and for those of you who still doubt that Core DAO is a blockchain, this is just a new trick. Head over to your Trust Wallet. If you haven't added it, I'll be showing you how to add it in my next video. I will show you how to add it in my next video. All you have to do is head over to your cup. If I click on add, or just scroll to the top, I just click on this plus icon. Sorry, click on this plus icon. After adding it, once we want to add it, which I'll show you guys in my next video. But if you click on this, you see after you must have added it, you will see Core blockchain. Every coin or every crypto here is a blockchain of its own. That's why they are all staying here, and all do have their own apps, if I'm not mistaken. And now you can see Core blockchain. So all these cryptos, you should be mindful of those cryptos which I just showed you guys earlier, so as not to miss out on any pump in the price. So heading over to my stakings. Okay, let's wait for it to load, guys. Heading over to my stakings, let's check how many I've gotten. See my rewards, guys. So I'm just gonna leave this. I've staked with 3 people and I'll be earning my commission faithfully. So this is a new trick. Instead of transferring your, if you delegated with someone, let's say INF stones, click on it, INF stones, I delegated my call with, instead of undelegating my call with from him, all I have to do is just wait a minute. Okay, I didn't delegate with INF stones, that's a mistake. Validators. Yeah, 05. Okay, yes. Instead of undelegating, I can click on transfer. Then I can transfer it to another validator. Checking that, but before you transfer to another validator, make sure to go to their check their prices. Going to their to the main page to check their prices. Let's use the second one. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's use this one. Make sure you head to their main to check the prices before you go over back. So you'll be needing to open it in a window, so you can know. Once you discover it, you just click on this on delegate, click on transfer, and then transfer it to another validator. Once you click on the validator, let's say on parallel, then you can click on transfer, and it won't ask for its contract code. So this is a new means of transferring your validator, your core from a validator to another without any means of disturbance or reduction in the core in your wallet. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope I've taught you guys a lot. So if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like button and please smash that subscribe button to encourage us on putting out more videos like this. And please also share this video. Make sure to share it with your friends or family and everyone you know who needs this. Thanks for watching. Also, don't feel free to leave a comment or drop a comment on anything you don't understand or any of your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Bye.